Hi, my name is Mike Jafar, President and CEO of Desktop Health. We're a technology company that's combining our 3D printing capabilities with our biofabrication know-how to advance personalization in healthcare and at scale. Today, we're unveiling a new product that's a near permanent solution for the dental industry. It's called Flexcera. This new solution is a game changer. It provides strength, aesthetics, and made to fit, all 3D printed at speed. We can provide the flexibility of plastic and the strength of ceramic. We're excited about this new base of chemistry that Flexcera will bring to the marketplace. It'll give doctors flexibility, it'll give patients personalization, and a smile that they've all been waiting for.